In this problem, we are going to be performing a multi-part reaction, starting with a halogenation reaction of our alkene. In the first step of this reaction, our bromine atom and our double bond are going to react with each other, and the electrons from the bond are going to flow back onto the second bromine atom to form our bromonium ion. Next, our previously formed bromine ion is going to attack one of the sides of our bromonium ion to free our bromine atom to form this structure. Now our halogenation reaction is complete and we have formed our vicinal dihalide that is going to react with sodium amide. Remember, whenever we see excess sodium amide in our vicinal dihalide, we are going to be performing two consecutive E2 reactions, where the base is going to take turns abstracting our two beta hydrogens in order to form a triple bond. So in the first step of this reaction, our negative charge on our nitrogen atom is going to attack one of our beta hydrogens, the electrons from the bond are going to fall down onto our structure, and our bromine atom is going to leave as a good leaving group to form a double bond. Next, our sodium amide is going to come back and perform that second E2 reaction, where again, the electrons from the nitrogen atom are going to attack our hydrogen atom, the electrons from the bond are going to fall down onto our structure, and our bromine atom is going to leave in order to form a triple bond. But we still have this relatively acidic hydrogen in our structure, and we still have more sodium amide because our problem states we have excess, so we are going to perform a proton transfer, where the electrons from our nitrogen atom are going to be attracted to that relatively acidic hydrogen atom, and the electrons from the bond are going to flow back onto our carbon atom to yield our acetylite ion. Finally, water is going to help us protonate our acetylite ion in order to turn it into a neutral species. And now our triple bond is going to react with hydrogen and our palladium catalyst. This is called a hydrogenation reaction. The goal of a hydrogenation reaction is to turn our alkyne into an alkane, where essentially our hydrogen atoms are going to be added on to either side of our triple bond, which is going to look something like this. Or if you want to see it more clearly without the hydrogen atoms on our structure, it'll look like this.